Okay, the number one rule to effective relationship building, da 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 da, drum roll please, is to know thyself. Now, this is interesting when you think about relationship building and building effective relationships. Let me ask you a question. At what age do children learn how to push adult buttons? Somebody said 2 years old, 2 years old, 3 months. No, let's try in the womb.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that.
There, and
The day they were conceived,
the day
that was it.
in the womb, mom, that's too spicy. Dad, stop arguing with mom. In the womb, children learn how to push adult buttons, and children don't see you for what you're saying. How do children see you? They don't see you for what you're saying. Children see you for what or how?
What you do.
By what?
What you do.
By
Your
what?
actions.
By what you do. So you are in a room full of professional button pushers. You are in an environment of professional level button pushers. And they are looking for your buttons in ways that you don't even know.